How to identify your ideal client for your cleaning business. Well, the best place to start is with your current client list. So go ahead and write down your current clients, and then what you want to do is you want to ask yourself these questions. When you're looking at that client list, who's the most profitable? Then also, who's the easiest to work with? And you may be seeing a common theme that you're checking off, 3, 4, 5 of them, but that's what we're looking for. Then who pays on time? And also, who communicates well? Very important. And who's showing you and your team respect? The last thing you want is a client that's not respecting you or your team. And does that client tell others about your service? So when you go through that list and you're checking, each client that meets these characteristics, well, then you're going to be able to identify who your ideal client is. And you may have 3, 4, or 5 of them there. So, that's a great way of identifying who your ideal client is. So what you should do is you should actually make yourself an ideal client profile. And this here example here is for a commercial cleaning client profile. So you can see on this profile, the client's name, Robert, and then we have their age range, 40 to 60, their location, in Minnesota, and we have the type of building. It was a Class A office building. Size of the building, 8,000 to 45,000 square feet. Key responsibilities, they're a small business owner, and he owns his own building that he runs his business out of, including additional space that he leases out to complementary businesses. So that's really cool. Their major concerns is running his own business keeps him busy full time. In addition, he has added responsibility of owning and managing a commercial property. Because of his significant investment in the building, he takes pride in his care, both inside and out. So that's something that's a key, that when you're looking for prospects, always look for owner-occupied buildings, because those owners will take care of those buildings. That's been my experience. Then you have the key stressors and pain points. You also have the key purchase drivers. You have places most likely to find information. In this case here, maybe it's a business colleague referrals or Chamber of Commerce or Google research. Then they've got their preferred content method. So, this is all good information for you to have because it's building that profile. So they're probably going to the Chamber of Commerce newsletter, BOMA, that's a Business Owners and Managers Association, and then maybe some small business blogs. And then you also have the days and times most likely to consume the content, and then the role in purchase process for the business. Well, they're the primary decision maker. So there you have it. That's for a commercial account. So, and if you're doing residential, you want to do the same thing. So here's an example of a residential ideal client profile. So again, you can see that this here is a woman, and her name's Julia. Her age, the age range is 30 to 45. And again, we list the location, the type of home, a single-family home, size of the home, 1,800 to 3,500 square feet. And, the key responsibilities, the major concerns, the key stressors, and pain points, for this person here, it's overwhelmed because she feels like she cannot keep up with all the things at home and feels guilty when she's at work. And again, we're listing the key purchase drivers, places most likely to find information. They may find it from friends and family, Facebook or online site reviews. And then we got preferred content medium. Usually it could be working moms' websites and blogs, YouTube videos. And then you've got the days and time and most likely to consume that, and roles of the purchase in purchase process for family, primary decision maker. And that's the one thing that you'll typically find, is that the woman is the decision maker when it comes to cleaning the house. So you're typically always going to be talking to the woman or the wife, of the house. So hopefully that gives you some great ideas on how to create an ideal client profile. And you can get these profiles on the Janitorial Store or My House Cleaning Biz in the download library. They're just great to have, and once you create that profile, it makes it so much easier as to who to identify as your ideal client when you're out there doing your prospecting and trying to get new accounts. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, go ahead and click on the like and share button, and if you have not already, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. We have many videos on how to build a successful cleaning business. I'm Steve Hansen, co-founder of the Janitorialstore.com and MyHouseCleaningBiz.com. Thanks for checking in today, and we'll see you next time.